In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to always open PDF files with Adobe Acrobat Reader DC instead of Microsoft Edge web browser. PDFs, or portable document format files, are an essential part of our digital lives, whether we're working, studying, or just managing everyday tasks. By default, Windows might try to open your PDFs with Microsoft Edge, which isn't always ideal, especially if you prefer using Adobe Acrobat for its features. Let's dive into how you can change this setting in just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to find a PDF file on your computer. It doesn't matter which one, any PDF file you have on hand will work just fine for this demonstration. Once you've located a PDF, go ahead and right-click on it. Right-clicking on files is a useful way to access a range of options specific to that file type, and PDF files are no exception. After you've right-clicked the file, a menu will pop up. From this menu, you'll want to look for the option that says Open With. This is a crucial step because it allows you to choose which application will open your document, overriding the default setting, at least temporarily. When you hover over or select Open With, another menu will appear, providing you with a selection of currently available applications. In this window, look for and click on Choose Another App. Selecting this option opens up a new window where you can permanently set your preferred PDF viewer. This is where we make the magic happen. Now, a list of applications capable of opening PDF files will be displayed. Here we're targeting Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. Scroll through and identify Adobe Acrobat Reader DC from the list. If it's not immediately visible, you might have to click on More Apps to see it listed. Once you've found it, click on Adobe Acrobat Reader DC to select it. And here's an important part, make sure to check the box that says always use this app to open PDF files. This is a pivotal action because once it's checked, Windows will remember this choice and use Adobe Acrobat Reader DC to open PDFs every time you double-click a PDF file going forward. This change ensures your PDF files open consistently with your preferred application, enabling you to utilize all the functionalities and features Adobe has to offer without needing to manually select it each time. That's it. With these steps, you've successfully set Adobe Acrobat Reader DC as the default application for opening PDF files. You're all set to enjoy the features and convenience that Adobe Acrobat offers without the hassle of switching from other programs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in easing your digital document management.